I'm always so weary about the braided units because I feel like they do need to be really well done to look good, but this to me is giving that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This wig, this braided unit, stop. 360 lace, long as can be. We're gonna get into it, so let's get started. I'm so excited to put this on. This is a full lace wig, okay? And it has the drawstring at the back, which is the best because you can get that really nice snug fit. We do have a band, nice thin band, so this is gonna sit very comfortably on the head. And there's a couple combs just to make sure it stays snug, but like, look at this lace. Full circumference, fully bleached knots. The ends are nice and thin. The partings across the wig look very neat, very clean. This is gonna look really good on. I also am kind of in a hurry, so I wanna challenge myself to doing this within like 10 minutes. So let's put my timer on. Okay, 10-minute timer is counting down. We're gonna twist my hair out the way. I have my ultra thin wig cap, so this is gonna go on. I am gonna just lightly spray the front with some lace tint. Can you guys see how long this hair is? Like, so long and pretty. I can't wait to show you what it looks like when it's actually on my head. I did apply some more tape. I put 2 at the front, kind of to the side, and then I put the ear tabs. 1 here, 1 here. So ear tabs and basically like right here. I always say this, but moment of truth. Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is just use a little bit of Got2b spray. Sometimes I use liquid mousse, but I feel like this looks really good. So I'm gonna use this. I do feel like natural light really helps you to see what we're working with, so y'all can see this. The lace is really nice. All I'm gonna have to do after is just put a bit of bronzer. This hair looks so cute. Something about braids I feel like makes me feel very youthful. So that's how the ear tab is looking now. I think a little bit of this is actually my hair, but it's blending just fine, so it's okay. That's how you know the lace is good, when your hair is sticking out and you can't even tell. Yeah, this is super cute. I got my bronzer, just taking a little bit of this right into the hairline, and I like to actually drag this down a bit. I don't want it to sit just on the lace. What I really like about this wig is I really like how the knots are all bleached. I feel like the knots are bleached really, really well. And they should be because this is a braided wig, so you can't have knots showing. I wanna just press a little bit of concealer right here. You can see like my wig cap slid back, so this is where my hair is. No, let me know what you think of this. I'm always so weary about the braided units because I feel like they do need to be really well done to look good, but this to me is giving that. And this is the second braided unit I've tried, and they both have delivered. I do feel like this cute hair calls for a little bit of a better outfit, so I'm gonna go change. I feel like I should be wearing something like summery. Okay, we changed. I don't know about this fit. This is definitely a bit much. It is very cute though. I'm gonna put this little shawl over this to make it more of a fit. Kind of how I'm picturing it. Tie it. Ooh, and you know what? I have like these silver strappy heels that I think would be so cute for this. I love how this hair looks. Like, to be able to flip it to the side seamlessly, it's really chef's kiss. Like, this is so cute. You guys have to let me know what you think of this unit. I am very picky when it comes to braided units because obviously it can look so fake, but I actually think this looks really good. The only thing that I would do differently, and this is just my own bad, is I would get my hair actually braided before putting something like this on. Because with this type of wig, you do really need to have a flat base to start with. I do think this wig is very worth it. I think it's actually a very good price for what you're getting. The hair is not real hair, it is synthetic hair, so that's something to keep in mind. But honestly, the fact that it's all braided like this, that doesn't bother me. I think the better route would be to go for, if you want some sort of human hair mix, you would go for like a boho style with human hair addition. Like I said, I have the boho style from LUVME and I love it, I just wish that the boho pieces were real hair. Lace-wise, amazing quality on this lace. I think LUVME has recently upped their lace game because this lace is very, very nice in comparison to some of the lace units I've tried maybe a year ago. They've definitely upped their lace. They've definitely offered more high quality pre-done wigs. And the fact that this is full 360 lace is amazing for those of you that want to put your hair up. Personally, when I'm wearing a wig, I don't really ever put my hair up because that's not what I got the wig for, but sometimes you have to, right? If you're going to the gym, if you're at work, if you're just getting hot, the option is there. The other thing that I like is that their lace is not tinted, like it's not any sort of color. It's truly like a transparent, it's not like a cast on it, it's not white, but it's just like plain. So I feel like it can work for a variety of skin tones. I personally do feel like having a lace tint is the best way to get that lace perfect for you, but you could also just use your makeup, your bronzer, whatever you need to do in that regard. And that's even been a concern with me from other companies, is if the lace is too dark, it's not going to work for me, because some lace might be transparent, but it comes with almost like a tint to it, and a lot of times it's too dark because in the wintertime I get pale as can be. Anyway, I gotta get going. I really like how this hair looks. Sometimes the most difficult times in the beginning turn out the best. Like this was totally worth the struggle that I was having with that wig tape that I was using. But anyway, that was just a me thing. So I do have a discount code for LUVME. The discount code gets you 28% off. I'm gonna put it in the description bar. I also have the direct link for this hair and all of like the specs of this hair listed there. So go ahead and check that out in the description. I do really like this hair. You guys know I'm always trying to be very honest with my reviews and very honest with my wig videos. I'm not just gonna sit here and say I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. If there's one thing that I would say that could be improved, I mean, this is just a personal choice for me, but I actually don't want the 360. I would prefer it was just regular at the back and then the front being 360. But that's like a personal preference thing. Other than that, I think the construction of this wig is very nicely done. This is a good one. Okay, love you guys. See you in a video soon.